take one of the overview of the Walters PPK S in stainless and 22 caliber. They make a very beautiful gun. This is the case it comes with, and it comes with a safety lock. I did not see any spent shell. Comes with this little wrench to take it apart. Here's the unit. Obviously, we'll safety check it. Nothing in the clip. Nothing in the chamber. Safety of the gun is clear. It's very, very nice built. It weighs in, I think, about 26, 28 ounces. And it is just a beauty. This thing has got some weight to it for such a small gun. It's totally stainless with a brushed aluminum finish. It's made in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Comes with 2 clips. The clips are ready available, as I found them online. It has the safety on this side, and it has the mag release right here. No, just regular sights, nothing fancy. Nice grips. I believe they're plastic. And the quality is just unbelievable. You know, I understand it's only 22 and it's $400. I wish every gun could be made this well. And that is the Walters PPKS in 22 caliber. Comes in this nice plastic case. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the videos, and give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you very much.